it's fine. It's Gaming with Ryan here, and today we are finally back with another episode of Amazing Frog. There's finally a new update. Whoa! Just a bunch of good things, a new car. Whoa! Ow! I just bonked my head. Hello? I got 37 Swindon and Simpson points. If you don't know how to get Swindon Simpson points, if you have this game, so you can deposit litter in litter bins. Gain Simpson points, Swindon Simpson points, like this. Oh. Basically, when you sprint and then you just farts, and then like that. He just farts. If you want to know how I got the jetpack, I'll do this for you like later on another video. Now, if you get this crown over here, all the citizens, all the NPCs will start just chasing you down, trying to get the crown. We don't have any vehicles called the removal van. Let me show you right here. You can see there's two NPCs in here. Basically, there's a little back door that you can put stuff in there. Such as a frog. Put stuff in there. You can sit jump. Oh! Perfect jump. You can see a lot of citizens here. Whee! Watch out! There's a van coming through here. Whee! And you can also like jump the car. Tip. It came out in like it was like first on like what was it again? I forgot. It did come out when it was like first created. But now it's on mobile. I also got the balloon pack. They need the fly pack though. Ow! I fell. This is what the inside looks like. It looks like this. Yeah, pretty big area, not gonna lie. Also, I kind of lag sometimes. Eat. Also go out of Swindon. Let me see. Let me tell you. See that little gate over there? Well, you can actually get out. So let me just turn around real quick. And go to the beach. Let me demonstrate. Let me just get this car over here. Now I'll jump over the, like, use my jetpack to like go over the gate. I need the balloon pack though. Just go back to the hideout. Whee! Sorry for my frog that farted there. Ow! Bonked my head. Whee! Let me just go out here. There's gonna be a car. Out that hole. power force. Weed attack. Meanwhile, on a device with more RAM. How exciting! Just take this car and go to the gate. I also got a giant toilet. Let's open the gate. Whee! Boom. Whee! Beach day. Ryan's beach day. Amazing fun. Mr. Toilet. Whee! Only like a 12-minute video, I guess. A beach day. Boing, boing. Boing. Whoa! Watch out. Anybody need an ambulance? Or van? Yeah. I'm a crazy driver. We're at the beach. We're at the beach. Maybe in a store? I see a shark over there. I'm watching you, Mr. Shark. You're watching me and I'm watching you. I like the band over there. You can have my respawn phone. I'm gonna see, yes. Help, 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 help. I put the render quality as good. It's kind of laggy when I turn it right. I'm about to do stunts. What happened? Nothing happened to these cars. I mean, one of them is okay. Oh, they're like stuck. And this one is actually the okay one. So I'm just taking it. Jump it! Are you serious enough? Beach day. Wee! Anybody need an ambulance? Anybody need an ambulance? Wee woo, wee woo. Someone? Okay. That's it. Let's go back to Swindon. Ow. I'm gonna remove it. See you guys later. Let's go to Swindon Fire. Vroom, vroom. I'm a good driver. I'm a good driver. I'm a good driver. Vroom, vroom. Whee. Wrong. The way that just slams. The way that just slams. Vroom, vroom. This is a 12-minute video. It's going to be 13 minutes now. Vroom, vroom. Maybe you don't have enough space. Maybe Mom doesn't have enough space. That's why he came down. Wee bonk. Oh, the door just closed and opened again. Wee. Right here. See my black car right there. Get out of the way. Yeet. Alright guys, so this will be it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. And I'll see you guys later.